Sometimes you need to reach somewhere that's not so easy to reach to, and you don't always have what you need to get it done. Sometimes just a little thinking outside the box. That's what I was doing today. You want to take precautions to protect other things, a drop cloth, a trash bag, something below.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
This rig, when you need to reach up high somewhere and you don't have a vertical blind head rail. So I just wrapped some drywall tape around this end, and I can dip my brush in the paint and get way up high. I need to get all the way up there. This will work just perfect for this. So I can dip it. It's not going to shake out. Should work just right. Reach way up there. Since I didn't have an extension pole, this is the end that's locked in and held in place by the keeper. So this will work. Dip into my paint. Whoops, I dipped a little too deep there. Would have been better to go a little bit shallower. And then get the job done. Way up high. Oh shoot. I can kind of peek in underneath here. See where my spots are. It's tricky. I really need two hands to do this. Oh shoot. There it is. That spot. That spot. That spot. I need to dip and get more paint. And as mentioned earlier in the video, you want to take precautions to protect other things, like using drop cloths, unless you're replacing the carpet or something. This one I had to do a bit of cleanup. It's far better to prevent that. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.